Welcome to Prince Math Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Here we have a very interesting radical to solve, and in this radical we are to find, without the use of calculator, 100 times 101 times 102 times 103 plus 1, all in a square root. And let's go right into it without the use of calculator. First of all, write out your question. My focus shall be on all these numbers that are being multiplied. That is from this number to this number. Right? I will leave out the 1. So this is what it's going to be. Now, I will leave 100. 101 is simply 100 plus 1. 102 is simply 100 plus 2. 103 is simply 100 plus 3. Now, all these numbers are still 101. This is still 101. This is still 102. This is still 103. All multiplied together. We have 100, 100, 100, 100 in common. So I'm going to use substitution method. I'm going to say let y be what? Be 100. So anywhere I see 100 there, I'm going to put y. Y. So this is y. This is now y plus 1. This is now y plus 2. And this is now y plus 3. The next thing I'm going to do is to multiply them out. Now I'm going to multiply what I have here and the last one to look like this: y plus 3, all in the same bracket. Then I'm going to multiply what I have in the middle, which is y plus 1 and y plus 2. Doing this, I'm going to have y squared plus 3y, all in one bracket. Then multiplying this, y times y will give us y squared, plus y times 2 will give me 2y. Then 1 times y will give me 1y. Then 1 times 2 will give me 2. And I can simplify this further because 2y plus 1y is actually 3y. So I'll replace this with 3y. Then I'll bring this positive 2 closer. Here again, notice what we have: y squared plus 3y, and here y squared plus 3y. I said we have y squared plus 3y and y squared plus 3y. So I want to substitute again since I found some things in common. I'm also going to say let p be equals to y squared plus 3y. Remember, the first let I made was let y be 100. Then the second let I'm making is what? P equals to what? Y squared plus 3y. I have to document them somewhere because I will need them at the end. Anywhere I see y squared plus 3y, I'm going to put p. So this becomes p. Then this becomes p plus 2. So if you expand this, you are going to get p squared plus 2p. Then this is what I am going to put in place of all of this in my question. Therefore, the square root of 100 times 101 times 102 times 103 plus 1 equals to p squared plus 2p plus 1. Then I can factorize this. Everything here now is now p squared plus 2p plus 1. I want to factorize this. going to open two brackets. The variable here is p. Then two numbers I will multiply to give me 1. That if I add them, I'll get 2. They are simply 1 and 1. So this becomes plus 1. This becomes plus 1. So since I have p plus 1 and p plus 1, I can as well write this as p plus 1 squared. Then don't forget the square root. Eventually, the square will cancel the square root. So all of this reduces to what? After looking for the square root, becomes what? P plus 1. But recall that I said that my p is y squared plus 3y. So anywhere I see p now, I'm going to put y squared plus 3y. So this becomes y squared plus 3y plus 1. And I said also that my y is what? 100. Also recall that my y is equals to 100. Therefore, y squared plus 3y plus 1 will now be equals to, so anywhere I see y, I'm going to put 100. This becomes 100, the square, plus 3 times 100, then plus 1. 100 squared is simply 10,000. Then 3 times 100 is 300, then plus 1. So if you add everything together, it's going to be 10,301. That is the value of taking the square root of this number without the use of calculator. And I hope the solution was helpful. Kindly like the video, click on the notification icon so that you can see more videos as we drop them on the channel, and also share this video with your friends, colleagues and loved ones. The reason why you have to do this is because we share international maths Olympiad question and other international exam question in this channel for your benefit. Bye for now.